Hey guys, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a boat that just arrived in the inventory. This is a NauticStar 203 SC side console. Beautiful boat. It's got the black hull with the white bottom. This is powered with the 115 Yamaha Show Super High Output Series. Stepping aboard, you'll see a ladder on the transom. Walking through, you'll see a starboard side transom here. Walk through. This seat right here pops up so that you don't have to step all over it. It gives nice access for boarding. Conveniently has your battery switch located right there on the starboard side. Taking a look at the helm, it's nicely laid out. You'll see all your mechanical gauges right here, your trim, RPMs. There's a speed tach, fuel gauge, infinity stereo, Simrad depth finder / chart plotter, and all your instrument switches. You'll see the helm seat has a bolster, giving you a nice visual for driving. Excellent layout on this boat, guys. Excellent for entertaining. Offers a ton of fellowship. Everybody can sit together, hang out. If you look on the port side, you'll see that there's a little wet bar / entertainment center with the cooler conveniently located right underneath. In the back of the cockpit, you'll see there is a spot for a table. Guys, plenty of storage, hinge storage underneath all these seats. Offers a lot of storage. So plenty of storage for all your day gear. Plenty of storage under the console. Plenty of in-floor storage as well, guys. Excellent boat. You'll see 2 speakers up front, and then you'll see 1 located right here and 1 over by the helm for a total of 4 speakers total. This boat does have the ski pylon, bimini top. Guys, looking at the bow, if you wanted to put a trolling motor and have this as a fishing model as well, excellent boat for that. You'll also see another boarding ladder up front. Overall, guys, excellent boat. Comes with this trailer. Excellent boat. For any more questions, please call MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina store. Thank you and have a great day.